everybody, welcome to Ultra Healthy Living. My name is Edith Brymon. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are keeping fit. I'm serious. Are you guys keeping fit? Are you eating healthy and living healthy? Are you drinking your 8 glasses of water daily? So guys, business of today is all about healthy juice. Today I'm going to show you how to make watermelon and apple juice for the summer season. Okay, it's very refreshing this period. Okay, so what we need a watermelon, and I have watermelon here, and I'm going to be using 2 apple. This is my juice. I'm not using blender today. I want you to know that if you don't have a juicer, you can also use your blender. Just blend it and seal it. So that's what you need. This is a glass cup I'm going to use. So now, let me tell you the benefits of watermelon and apple before we make our juice. So, watermelon contains 90% of water. That is why it's very useful in staying hydrated in summer, guys. So it contains minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. So watermelon, like I said, helps with hydration. It contains compounds that prevent cancer. It helps with inflammation. Yes, it helps. And also good for your heart health. So let's look at apples. Apples also contain minerals, vitamins, and what? Antioxidant. Why did they say an apple a day will keep you away from the doctor? That is a fact. Yes, apples are good for the heart's health. So apple also, when you eat it, it can also help to prevent cancer. It contains some compounds that will help to prevent cancer and also help in weight loss. All right, so those are some of the benefits. Okay, let's dive into the juice today. So we're gonna make juice. So I've already washed this watermelon, guys, so I don't need to wash it again. That is what we are using for our juice. Okay, here we go. We are going to juice. All right. Oh God. Let's start the juicing. All right. So one thing that we need is to chop all the water. So we're gonna start. So you can see the juice and the watermelon are coming out. Watermelon contains 90% water. then I use 2 apples and half watermelon. Yeah. So hi everyone, just finished making the juice now, apple and watermelon juice. So this is the end product. Looks really yummy. Tastes good. So refreshing. Okay, so I have come to the end of this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe, okay? And don't forget to click on that notification bell so you can have access to my healthy information weekly. So if you are our subscribers, you are welcome as well. Thank you so much for following us and for subscribing. Till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy. Bye for now.